Hey, back again to my new video. Sampath, you are watching Sampath FX channel, and in this video I am going to review this Mi Mix ROM of this Redmi Note 5 Pro based on MIUI 12.5. Let me go into the settings. As you can see, this is the MIUI Mix version 12.6 by Mi Mix Team 21.7.14 beta version for this Redmi Note 5 Pro. Based on, let me go into the specs. As you can see, it's on Android 11 style. This is the Android 11 build for the Redmi Note 5 Pro based on MIUI 12.6. Actually it's a 21.7.14 beta, and coming to kernel, you get this 4.4.274 SRK kernel version 11 OldCam. This is the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and this is the ROM going to be reviewed in this video. Stay tuned till the end of the video such that you will get all the details of this ROM. And if you are first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below and also allow the notification such that you will get similar kind of videos. And guys, do like the video, I'll get motivated to make similar kind of videos. Give it a like also. And this is the home screen you get, and this is the app drawer in this ROM. You can change the search bar style and even the app vault style you can select here. If it is app vault, you can change Google pane or the none options. Let me go into the Wi-Fi settings are here. Like this you can enable, and even the additional settings, if you go here, you can change here. You can even install the certificates. In Bluetooth settings, nothing new here. Even in the additional settings, it's nothing new. Coming to connection sharing, you can share using Mi Share application, or even you can cache the devices, printing all these portable hotspots, private DNS, wireless display, everything is working fine, no problem in this ROM. The wallpaper and personalization, here I found like these live wallpapers are not been downloading. I tried plenty of time. For some reason it's not getting downloaded, but once if it is get downloaded, I'll be pinning the comment. But as of now it's not available. Lots of wallpapers are given in this ROM. Coming to fingerprint style, you can enable like this. In the wallpaper and personalization settings, you get plenty of wallpapers, and even the always on display is given. As you can see, you can choose here the timing, and you can even schedule it out. Even you can keep for 10 seconds after tapping, or you can even keep always. Turn off when battery saver is on, turn off when lying in the dark. Those features are given in this ROM. It's working fine. Let me show you. As you can see, like that, it takes 10 seconds. Like that, the always on display works here, and plenty of options are given. As you can see, you can keep digital, select background, those things are given in this ROM. Even the effects, even the fonts also, you can change it from here, or if you want, you can change it from theme section. This is the ringtones panel. You get a brand new 12.6 style. Notifications also brand new style here, and even the alarm styles also brand new 12.5 on this MIUI Mix ROM on this Redmi Note 5 Pro based on Android 11. Coming to like explained wallpaper and always on display and the lock screen, as I shown here. Display charging animation after device is unlocked. Those things are also you can be. Even double tap to wake or turn off screen when use, those things are given. In the display options, you get dark theme here. Let me show you. As you can see, switching between those two are also convenient, and even you can schedule the dark mode, the brightness level, reading mode, color scheme. You get plenty of options here. As you can see, standard, saturated, vivid, you can choose according to your interest, and refresh rate is given. By the way, it's 60 Hz only. The Redmi Note 5 Pro doesn't have higher refresh rate. It has just 60 Hz. Font settings, these settings are given in this ROM. The home screen, all the basic settings are given in this ROM. The system navigation, you can choose between buttons and gestures. You can hide the full screen navigation bar, and the minus on screen, as I said, you can choose between one among them. And the home screen search bar provider also you can select here. Double tap to lock screen, lock home screen layout, icons, style, and adjust the icon size. You can change here. Even styles you can change by downloading the apps. Blur app previews are also given in this ROM. It's working fine. And show memory status is also given. Like this you can see the memory status. Those things are given in this ROM. Sound and vibration I already shown. Plenty of options are given. Password security, let me go like this, like fingerprint unlock, tap unlock. It's really fast. As you can see, it's fast, quickest I have ever seen on this Redmi Note 5 Pro. As you can see, it's very quick. Just see the fastness. This is a really quick. Even the face unlock, let me try here. As you can see, it's quick. The security options are really good. The performance of those things are really good on this smartphone. As I touched the performance, let me show you the Geekbench scores. As you can see, the Geekbench scores on this single score is 328 and the multi score is 1344 for the Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is a really good score. With this kernel, it's really good score. Coming to like safety net status, it's get passed by default, and this how the you can use even the payment apps. It's working fine, no problem in this ROM. The best thing in this ROM is the performance. As you see in the fingerprint lock, once again I will show you. Just tap it unlock. It's really fast. Even the face unlock is also very fast. Coming to CPU throttling test, let me show you. Most of the people demanding these things. As you can see, the performance is really good. Here and there the peak performance is down, but considering it's already a 3 to 4 years old device, still we are getting good performance based on this MIUI Mix ROM of this beta latest July security patch update on this Redmi Note 5 Pro. The performance is really good. As you can see, you won't get any degrade in the performance. Let me stop here. If you use gaming or like heavy tasks, it will be degraded, but it's quite common. I also feel like the warmness is little bit there in this ROM after using for extended usage. It get warm, but nothing like heating or anything like that. And coming to camera, you get MIUI type of camera, ANX camera. Everything is working fine, no problem in this ROM. The camera application, everything is working fine. If you want, you can use any Gcam ports on this ROM, that's fine. And the screen recording options are also given. Let me show you. As you can see, these are the settings. You can choose up to 4K, and the video quality also you can keep up to 105 Mbps, and the frame rate you can fix or change here. Those things are given in this ROM. Really good. The performance really better compared to the previous MIUI build ROMs. This has a little bit of good performance, peak performance. I mean, there is no throttling in this ROM. What I seen from last 24 hours, the performance is really good. The battery life is also, let me show you the battery settings, and this is the quick settings panel. You get the new MIUI 12.5 style, and if you swipe from left side, you will get the notifications. I think you all guys know that. This is how the performance in this ROM, and even you get all the special features based on MIUI 12.5, Game Turbo, Video Toolbox, floating windows. Everything is working fine, no problem in that manner. Everything is working fine. Quick settings panel I shown, and the battery performance what I was speaking. As you can see, you get all the battery saver, ultra battery saver options, and my suggestion is not to use the battery saver and ultra battery saver in the idle condition for any MIUI ROMs. Don't turn it on. Whenever you're using the smartphone, then you can turn it on, but when you keep on the idle condition or even charging, this will either drain the battery rather than keeping it saving your battery. Don't turn it on while keeping in the idle condition. Note down that. And the battery life is good. The battery and the idle drain in this ROM is like 2 to 3%, sometimes even 5%. That is because of high performance in this ROM, but it's okay considering the performance on this ROM. And this is the Redmi Note 5 Pro Mix ROM. Do comment down below what is the current ROM you are using on this Redmi Note 5 Pro. And if you like the video, give it a like and do subscribe to my channel and this Sampath Sam FX YouTube channel. Signing off. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video with another new ROM.